how to turn off or on late BeReal notifications on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on easy and quick. First open BeReal and then click on your profile here, and after that click these 3 points, and that's it. Now all you need to do just click notifications, and here we'll find late BeReal. Then just you can turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again just click on it, and that's it. It's easy. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.